bump right on down the road. Aridia. That's what it was. Alright.
You got enough bolts for a pirate? Watch out for those sand sharks, bro.
Oh, you see the number going up? 80? Oh my goodness.
You got
Back!
there, little dude.
Get back! You ain't gonna get down there and help? Well, oh, I didn't know I actually hit him.
Wait, come back. There's still some sand sharks out here.
Can you take care of him? What are you talking about? When did this become a one-man job? And who is this guy? Who is this clown? Clown? Alright, come on, let's go knock these sand sharks out the water. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Whoa, that was awesome.
What is this thing? I love this. God. Are y'all rising in numbers? Back. Smack attack! Gotta hit him from the back. Gotta hit him from the back. Hit him from the back. Hit him from the back. Bruh. Why is it every time I kill one, they keep coming back? This thing is birthing these things. Get your rabbit-headed ass. I don't know what he said. Something about a plateau and taking care of him. Oh my goodness. This is too close. Yeah. I gotta remember how powerful this microphone is. You can't be having it all closed. I like to yell. What the hell?
Look up there. That must be Skid's ship.
Shit. No! No. You gotta go. You gotta stop making these. Nobody wants these sand sharks, alright? Fill out the request forms like everybody else. No! This is contraband. Yeah, radium. I mean, raritanium. What am I thinking about? Radium. Look at him. Hey! You can at least point out others. Whatever. Hey, there's 3 of them. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh boy, out of ammo.
I'm out of ammo.
Sand sharks on the plateau.
These things have to go. You have to go. You're not invited formally. This is not the place of residence. You need to provide or madam, or whatever you are. Let me do this dance. Wow.
Hey, are you just like hungry? Because when this is over, I can go for some food.
Why is he just
Like
talking?
cheeseburger, space pizza. I think Clark's Grub Grab still delivers this late.
We're talking on a rock, but I'm
Looks like
actually
there are a few
fighting for my
sand
life.
sharks up there on the plateau. Think you can take care of them?
Oh, he's coming up here.
I believe there are a few sand sharks left.
Yeah. I got all the... What is that? Is that a giant bolt? Oh, I see it. It's over there. That looks like tar. It is! It is tar! Shit.
Watch out for those sand.
Oh, I gotta do it all over again? Fuck!
You got skill, little dude.
Straight for me. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I did not approve of what you got going. They're kind of key if you remove all the teeth and pliers. Look at that! I don't know how to get in there. I'm not here to make money. I'm here to kill sand sharks.
Looks like there are a few sand sharks up there on the plateau.
Stop! Don't do this! You guys don't have. Oh my gosh. You know in real life they would be weaponizing those things. They are literally making weapons. Like, we should be taking this technology. Ratchet Clank should be taking this sand shark technology and making little minions that can go out and fight. For him. Oh, it's not there. Jeez! They are making a lot of these things. Do anything else? Hello? Anybody out here? These sand sharks. In violation of Code 44.
Look up there. That must be Skid's ship.
Oh!
Sand sharks on the plateau.
Oh, I forgot there was 3 of them.
Just a few more left. Hey, are you dudes like hungry? Because when this is over, I can go for some food. You know, like
Gun.
space pizza.
Run! Alright, I'm gonna just skip to
Watch
after
out for
I
those sand sharks.
taste that. Taste the combustion. The combustion. Gotta say it real quick. There's no way to not say that sentence. Here's the freaking plateau that they kept talking about. This is why they kept living. And because I got They just slipped those little shorts off. Let me stop. Slip those little shorts off you got on. Taking for everything you got. Yeah.
You're doing great, kids. Just a few more left. Hey, are you dudes like hungry? Because when this is over, I can go for some food. You know, like a cheeseburger or some space pizza. I think Quark's Grub Grab still delivers this late.
I could have hit it.
There's one over by the quicksand.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Long voyage!
Oh boy. Out of ammo.
That was quick! Didn't last very long at all. I know looking at you. Ah! Sit down.
There's another sand shark right there.
There they go. Here they go. Smack him, back him, smack him. 2 left. They better not be hard to find either. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. 1. And 2.
You got them all. Nice work, little dudes.
teleports me. I don't even get to finish grabbing all my bolts, bro. You gonna pay me for
Pretty
this?
awesome. Thanks for your help. Here's your hoverboard.
Whoa, and it's autographed. To Ratchet and Clank, the chillest dudes I've ever hung out with
His
on a
eyebrows look
hostile
like
alien
skid
planet.
marks.
Cool.
Will you be able to get home on your own?
I'll be okay, though I don't think I'll be able to compete in the Blackwater City hoverboard competition. Kind of a bummer, dude. Hey, either of you little dudes seen my agent? I feel kind of bad leaving him out here. He doesn't do well with nature.
I guess he can't compete because I just took his board from him. So I guess it wasn't that cool to give it away after all. You could totally have it back. Oh, son of a motherfucking monkey! Fucking idiot! Why didn't you just leave when you had the chance? But you want to be out here fucking being Skid McMarks and shit.
Oh, dude, I hope this isn't a career-ending injury.
You're dead! Alright. Is that it?
Okay, what's our destination?
Oh, I gotta find his agent.
You're swimming in bolts. Time to spend some. Come and buy a pyrocenter.
Oh. This looks interesting. How do I get... Okay, this is the way.
Attention, future consumer. While the
Wow!
skiddmc Sports
What the hell?
appreciates your enthusiasm, you are now trespassing in a restricted area. Please vacate the construction site.
Oh my god, he just blew up. His legs were the only thing that was left. That's kind of dark. These guys aren't so bad. They're just stupid sand sharks. It's not their fault they were born. It's that creepy ass octopus's fault. Oh, come on, guys. I don't have to do this anymore.
Oh, reinforcements.
Whoa! Dude! Stop cha-cha sliding and shit. Whoa! Yeah, how you like it?
Attention, future consumer. We thank you for your interest in the skiddmc Sports Shack. However, your refusal to leave has forced us to activate the Constructobots. Have a nice day.
Oh. Bananas!
Intrusion detected in Sector 4.
You guys
Dispatching
aren't so
Constructobots.
I could take you out with a wrench. Hiya! 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 You and your fire ground traveling technology can't destroy me. Get out of here, dude.
Coming!
I'll take you out with my cum blaster. This thing impregnates people in
Future
seconds.
consumer, the finest selection of hoverboards, grab bikes, and gyrocycles will not be in stock until next fall. The only thing waiting for you here is death.
Skiddmc Marks here, and as you know, I'm a naturally talented hoverboard. You know what else is natural about this?
What is his agent doing way out here? Did he get kidnapped or something?
No.
This is crazy. Oh! A little premature, aren't you? Wow! Right in the kisser. I was gonna let him live, but I was like, what's the fun in that? Oh, yeah. A card! please. Yeah. Where's his agent at? I'm holding you all accountable. Seriously though, right? This is getting kind of... What is he doing way out here? Unless it's like a... He locked himself up in here. Whoa! Ah! Get down! I heard that dumper back there.
Client is information that belongs to Chairman Shrek. Come on, don't make this hard on us. Give him up and no one gets hurt.
Yeah, I don't know where he is. You know celebrities these days. They do whatever they want. We could work this out, can't we?
Oh, we'll work it out by feeding you to the sand shark.
No! These brutes are trying to kill me!
Take out the law packs!
We heard it! There's more of them! Hey, get them off my back and I'll make you famous! Now that's impressive! Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports? Good work, kid. I think that's all of them.
Disaster struck.
Hey, you must be the two heroes who saved my clients, huh? Don't tell me, don't tell me. Socket and Clink.
Ratchet and Clank.
Right, beautiful. Sprocket and Plank. I like the sound of it. Real marketing potential. I could sell that. Listen, my client and I got separated in our somewhat hasty trek back to the ship. I'd go meet up with them, but this place is crawling with sand sharks. Think you can help me out?
You have nothing to fear, sir. The sand sharks have been dealt with.
Beautiful. You two have heart. I could
He's
sell
looking
that.
straight ahead.
We are always happy to assist.
Oh, good.
We really appreciate you
Carried him
helping
all
us
the way
out.
back.
So where are you off to now?
Hospital, I guess. Gotta get this leg checked out.
A hospital? Skid, come on.
Oh, I
You've
didn't
been through
know
worse.
that.
What are we gonna do about your sponsors?
I'm beginning to think you don't, like, care about me or whatever.
Fine. What about you, Renchi?
Ratchet.
Exactly. You want to be a hoverboard star? This infobot will give you all the details. Just tell him Don Wonderstar sent you.
It's that time again. The annual Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition on Planet Rilgar. Are you a young thrill seeker looking to show off your hoverboard skills? Then blast on over to Rilgar and experience the pulse-pounding thrill of doing Mach 3 on a rocket-powered piece of plastic. How exciting is the race? Just listen to some of our previous champions.
I never miss the Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition, except for next year's. I probably won't make that one. I can't feel my toes. Is that normal?
We're offering cash prizes and holo cards to the winners. So head to Planet Rilgar and take a shot at the most extreme sporting event in the galaxy. And try not to die.
Wow, we just saved a celebrity. I want to check out that hoverboard competition.
Ratchet, we should explore the rest of the sports shack.
Why? Son of a monkey.
Hey, you've got a lot of raritanium. Come see me for an upgrade.
You just want my money. You ain't getting nothing from me. Alright, how do you get to the inside of this sports shack? Is that what you kids call it nowadays? A spoke shack? I did not know they could jump like that. That's pretty weird. Cool. Is this a spoke shack? This is not working.
My
sensors are picking up a strange energy signature near the swing shot targets. I believe it may be a gadget from Drek Industries.
All right, let's have a look around.
McMark's here. Hey, don't let old man Winter bum you out. Visit our snowboard department. Pick up the latest stem shredding technology. It's never too cold.
Honestly, I didn't know it was gonna be like this. I thought it was just gonna be like a building.
Skid here. You know, anybody can buy stuff and look cool, but unless you sound cool, you won't be cool. You check out our class schedule and sign up for a cool seminar where you'll learn to look, sound, and even smell cool, like me. You ready to catch the web? Tubular. Dude,
there we
I
go.
got a deal for you. Just head over to the pro.
Ratchet Clank found a portable hydro displacer, designed by Dr. Nefarious. This ingenious device promised to move water from one place to the other.
Is this what we came here for? I thought we came for the magnetic boots. You know, the one thing I needed on that ramp. Apparently not. Came here
Just
for
a push of a button, the duo could now fill an entire swimming pool. Originally designed to unclog Valkyrie toilets, Ratchet would find the hydro displacer invaluable in navigating the sewers of the galaxy.
We should head back.
Is this gonna kill me? I thought it was gonna kill me. Alright, that's it, right? Nothing else. Nothing, no more silly antics or slapsticks or pat mix.
Down.
Get the hell off me,
That's
boys!
the last of them.
That was impressive.
Jinkies, that's impressive. Crunch, crunch. Alright. That's completely it. I know that's it for this level.
Which planet should we go to?
I believe planet Rilgar would be a good choice.
Travel to the hoverboard.
What do you say we put this new hoverboard to the test? We'd better get to Kerwan and warn the Rangers.
Let's go ahead and do this stupid challenge first. Ratchet always want to go off, do some stupid. I'll just land. Time the birds.
You got enough bolts for a pyrocitor. And what do you know?
Attention residents of Blackwater City. As you may have noticed, we appear to be dealing with a small outbreak of amoeboids. Our security
The slime boys of here.
in the city of these creatures, but first they have to wake up, get washed, brush their teeth, drive over here. I mean, really, it's a whole process. So until they arrive, the race is postponed. Please stay inside your homes while we manage the crisis. Thank you.
Let's clear out those amoeboids. I have a new McMark's hoverboard I want to...
Oh!
You got a lot of raritanium. Come see me and let's do some upgrades.
Is this where I'm supposed to be going?
Contain and exterminate all unauthorized organisms.
I'll destroy you!
Rodent-type organism. Exterminate and
Don't do this! I don't even know what their names were. Whoa, he saw me! Here's a little food for thought. He's doing all this stuff before he becomes like a galactic ranger, which is, I guess, technically a cop in this universe. So basically, he's just out murdering people and doing all this stuff, which is like felonies and crimes. But you know, it all works out because he's Clank, he's Ratchet, you know. Whoa! Hey-ya! They're actually pretty good at their job. They actually got him. I thought they got wiped out. And their gun is still here. I did not mean to get started. You will not defeat me! You will not defeat me! You will never defeat me!
That one hurt.
Dang, they kicked that thing. Amoeboids! Attack!